scariest break. We do have some scariest memories of breaking news. March 1st, 2017, 12 o'clock midnight. There was a big water marathon all over the world. Of course, two biggest terrorists for water bombs nuclear time machine one time ago. It ends up a horror. Two evil twins of the killers, Summer Street and Emma, and even found an email and Dolly of Mama Badano's and Emma Badano, including those two evil suspects, water bombers. 1,000,000,100,000,000 people had died straight from the Water Express. The world was so full of people that they have to celebrate until two terrorized suspects did all crimes all over the world after the water bombing happened all over the world. There's around 1,000,000 cops bombed with water bombs, explode millions in pieces. After all the crimes, that this is the whole story merit. We are talking about the saddest wedding about Obama, who created after 500 people died that night. All papers, including those two. A special wedding has Zuckerberg and his wife Sunenda Ashley. Remember that wedding had close 500 tiny bullets of bombs, waters, and killing those innocent people. We found a security camera. In the next video, we're going to show you another movie we are making. Let's go to the SpongeBob. At March 1st, 2021, a 3-hour movie, or could be more, we are making a movie about those two evil water bombers, 2017. Wait to show you what they two put the bombs. And this is absolutely the worst thing. 10 ways you're never gonna believe what happened. It's horrible. It's the wedding dress, poor nails, and the missing ring, and the drug to that prince, both of them. But here is the story why those two bombers did it to them. Zuckerberg was married to a beautiful lady, but Zuckerberg, 100 millions ago, his twin, Zug, was found dead in the pool 100 years ago. He has survived, raised 1,000,000 to the youngest back to the age by citizen raised to return dead after Zug got 1,000 megabytes grass over his face. Let's go back to the look. I'm standing right here. It's not just the guy, so it's also his daughter, who's also got burned over her face for these two water bombers. It's actually 100-hour story plus that we forgot to record is too much work of the wedding. Here is the whole story of a skeleton who's found dead of the Zuckerberg's body was in chains somehow. Of those two evil bombers, 100 most wanted arrests. Stole 100 cars that day. Back to you. We will keep an update what the movie will be out of the wedding. And also, those two water bombers, Zuckerberg was blaming somebody else who also did something bad one time ago. It's also named James Calroy. He's also the one who caused trouble of the death. Now, her name is Claire. Just Shannon Blake, and also that race in the tandem. Another breaking news, more details of the 2 water bombs all over the world has sent you to more terrorize what you think. News is back to you. Stay tuned.